Now folks, these first pictures coming up here, that is from last October when we started to plant this garlic. But before we get started with that, please everybody keep Texas in your prayers after all the flooding that took place down there. Please pray for those people. They sure need it. Alrighty, now let's get back to this here. Now this here, the start of this video was us planting the garlic last year. It's the first time we've ever planted garlic, and we was pretty happy with the results. Next year, Lord willing, we're going to be growing a bigger patch of it, and we'll just show you here what we done. Alrighty folks, we're going to try it both ways. This garlic here, we don't know what kind either kind is. We know it's garlic. This here that we're planting in this barrel up here, help us remember folks, the 4th barrel back, this one right here, it's going to have store-bought garlic in it. The other garlic, hold on, let me show you. Sugar?
Just an experiment.
This is an experiment. Store-bought from the farm store. You can tell there's a big difference. Alrighty. Shug, go ahead and you be planting this.
Uh-oh.
And I'll come back behind. I'll pour some sulfur powder over top of it. Okay. This other, I'm going to put a little bit of sulfur in the bag and shake it up.
Now this is just around the edge here.
Don't have none in the center?
No.
Alrighty. Like I said folks, this is the first year we've ever grew garlic. Hopefully not the last. Mine's going to have one in the center, Shug.
Well, you had all over. We just didn't have enough for this one.
Shug, you ain't got to stop. You can come on down here too. Right up through there. Hopefully the camera's getting better footage for you folks. Clearer, I hope. Need some more? Alrighty. Done?
Several more.
Several more.
Guess we could plant a couple in that one.
Go ahead and we'll know where they're at. Let's go up here, back up here to put them in the center. You said you didn't have none in the center up here. Now I'm going to get a little bit of sulfur and sprinkle around top, folks. Yes, it's that time of year. It gets dark extra early now. A little bit after 5. It's all ready. That's it? Okay. It's hot again today, folks. There's a storm coming, and like we've always told you, whether we get skunked or not, we're going to show you what we got. This is the first time we've ever tried garlic. We'll pull it up here and see what it looks like. And then we'll decide if next year we're going to have a bigger bed of them.
Those are the store-bought, I think.
That's a little feller.
Yeah.
Did you say this was something we got from the store?
Those little ones, yeah.
I know we tried that there. We bought there at the one farm store some garlic, but we also had some garlic cloves in the house that we got from the store.
This is the bigger garlic that we got at the farm.
Okay. Get rid of the rye there now.
And we're saving.
We're saving this one here for seeds, and also this one up here. Alrighty, don't want to touch that one. That one done good. Alrighty.
You smell it.
Yeah, you can
That's
definitely
good.
smell it. Alrighty, that's all.
There's one more over there. That's from the store. None of those come up except for that one. The little feller.
Alrighty guys, just a quick short video showing you some more of the progress.
Here's our haul. We'll have to dry these. Let them cure. Unless we decide just to put them in the freezer.
Yep. Alrighty, folks, I'd like to thank y'all for watching. Hope y'all have a blessed day. Stay safe, Lord willing. We'll be seeing you soon. Thank you for watching, guys. We got our garlic out here on the front porch hanging. By no means was it a huge crop, folks, but this was a test. Lord willing, nothing happens. This fall we'll plant us some more, a bigger patch of it.
Down on the farm where the green grass grows, we're thankful for the love that everybody knows. It's another day under the white blue sky, with the sun shining bright and the time drifting by. Holmans Homestead, where the story unfolds, our hearts full of laughter and our memories go. Oh, thank you for watching from near and far. Your support, it brightens just like a star. Don't forget to subscribe, it's always free. Join our journey, come share the glee.